Oh, that's good, that's good. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I ain't touching it. Oh, shoot.
Uh-oh.
Look at all the... Dude, this thing is full of water. What the...
Oh yeah, look at the reflection.
Well, that's dry.
Just the window was open.
That's kind of... What, the floor's rotted out or what? Well, guys, we're back out here with our Scania. We gave this thing the name Hank. I figured we have the most not American truck. We're going to give it the most American name. Hank. Hank Williams, Hank Hill. There's all kinds of good Hanks out there. And here it is, guys. Say hello to Hank. The amount of people that have reached out from Sweden, Belgium, like everywhere but the USA is insane. Apparently this truck used to be like a full-blown show truck, like back in the 90s, and it was beautiful, guys. I mean, I'll throw some pictures up here of what it used to look like back in the day hauling. And the original owner that bought it and did all the cool stuff you see done to it, oh, I'm at a loss for words, that did all the original work to it, reached out to me too, and he said he wants to come over to the US and see it. So we're going to respect it, but at the same time have some fun with it. But today we're going to hop in this thing, go over to my buddy Paul's house, who has an overhang at his shop. We're going to go in there and work on cleaning some of the stuff out of it, and go see our friends Chaz, just kind of get some general reactions of what people think about this thing, because it's one of a kind here in the United States. Well, let's head out.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That don't sound good.
Oh, because it's in gear.
Oh.
That might help. There we go. Shift this thing, guys. So in America, our trucks over here are unsynchronized transmissions, so you float the gears. This one is synchronized, so after learning you have to use the clutch to shift this thing drives so nice. What a dummy. I'm such a dummy. I don't know if anybody's here.
Smells like.
Hey, what? Clean your damn shoes off or you get in my truck, man. What the heck?
Store don't open here. Hey. Push and shove.
Yeah. She's sweet. Go ahead and get up top there and take a nap.
I gotta take my shoes off for that?
No.
She's like a 90s
96.
porno. Like a grandpa.
Like a 90s porno in here or something.
Got a fridge.
I like it.
Look up top, up top. Everything's up high.
Must have been tall people.
Here, put the key on. See if this works. You can control the rear suspension from outside. Unless it quit working. Might have. There we go. I'm serious, yeah, get out here and look.
There it is.
Dang.
Oh, baby's got hydraulics.
It ain't no joke. This is from '96. It's like having your telephone connected to the wall.
Little Scandinavia brat.
So cool. Really so I've never heard a horn that sounds like that ever. It's so weird. Hit it again. they make different noises.
This your manual? I mean,
It's a synchronized transmission. You know, like the American big trucks are all float the gears. If you float them, it won't shift. You actually have to use a clutch.
Third world countries having to use a clutch. What the heck?
This thing's nice. One of them. Oh, careful.
Yeah, baby.
I don't know if she's gonna break, so just a little bit. That's good. That's good.
No, I'm about to get Dusty's head out of it.
Like a little bit more.
Oh yeah.
Help it, Dut. Other side. Careful.
That's probably it.
My luck is not gonna close.
That's probably it.
You see him up top?
Yeah. Who shit their pants?
It does stink a little bit.
No, I think Dusty farted.
Did you? At least it rises. Can you stick your head out? Oh yeah, escape hatch.
Dude.
Is it dirty up there?
Yeah. I got a little leak.
What are you doing? Oh, paper. It was just spinning.
We spinning back there or what? Whoa.
Oh, just a
Missed the gear. What a professional.
There we go.
Hard to sleep up there.
All the air right.
It feels good though.
What's the worst
Oh,
part?
I watched the trees. He better stuck his head out there. There's trees up there.
I can't think of anything that rides better than this thing.
Dude, this is straight getting it. Yeehaw! He's like, how do I get out of this thing?
I don't think this thing's gonna close though.
Easy, yeah, easy with her. Help her. Better go the other way. Pushing the switch the wrong way.
We have to do it at the house. Make its noise.
No, tore it up.
Oh, tight back here though.
Gotta find the right gear. This might start popping.
Can you get out, Bruce?
Trying.
Come on now. Oh, there we are. Hey, fire line up there.
You can touch that. It won't hurt you. You know that.
I'd rather not.
Rather not.
Yeah, I mean, I really don't want to touch it. Ain't no lines in there.
Yeah.
Nice fender here.
Yeah, I know, right? Units. Quality. Those fingers. I just figure out how to get into there to the exhaust pipe, to the straight pipe.
Oh, you can do that right now?
How many 5-inch straight pipe there?
I do. I got an elbow from the back. Yeah.
Well, this thing's halfway organized.
Oh, yeah.
Never been in here.
This is small block, LS, tools.
Exhaust floor.
Yeah.
I don't think you got any long 5-inch. Oh, there's a piece.
This one, downpipe. That's kind of good to have, though. This video is not sponsored by DeWalt, but we love their tools.
Yeah, okay. Ooh, hope the airbags don't come down on me.
You want a jack stand?
That probably wouldn't hurt. What's up? Look at this huge muffler in this thing. That thing's got to be super heavy too. Golly, this blade's like death.
Yeah, you gotta watch it around
My
here.
fingers are. Whoa, that was sketch.
That was close. Oh, don't get closer than that.
Oh, you know what? It already is straight piped. No.
It's hollowed out?
It's got a pipe welded inside of it. All this for nothing. Oh my god.
What's this video about? Doing things twice.
So the people that own this were men of culture.
Oh, geez. We just did this for nothing.
I thought it was kind of
That ain't even doing nothing anyways.
Just leave it at none.
Well, I ain't hanging this thing back up there. That's for dang sure. Gotta take our jacks out from underneath it.
I don't think they ever put it underneath it.
It's right there next to it.
Why ain't it going down?
Oh, you broke the plug.
I got gas.
Sounds better.
I think it reduced it. The inside of it, it was like a chamber.
Build something, keep it from rolling, like stick something behind this tire.
I don't think you cared about it.
Well, we thought we were gonna straight pipe it, but turns out it's already got a straight pipe inside of there. Whether or not it's actually,
Straight piped.
I don't know.
No, it is. You can see through it.
Yeah, you can see all the way through it. You know, look through it. It's really heavy, right? Pick it up. See daylight. So, well, let's work on cleaning the junk out of it. There might be some cool stuff in here. We found some cool stuff on the way home. Let's go through all these drawers. You don't need logbooks. There's all kinds of stuff in here.
Oh, look, someone went to Paris.
Some kind of a Dutch restaurant, something. Look. What is this? Just like owner's manual or something? Dang, there's the manual for the fridge. There's all kinds of cool stuff in here. It's all not in English. Very strange. Something 2016. Maybe this is. Oh, this might have been stuff when it was like.
Show truck.
No, whenever it was exported over here to the U.S. or imported, whatever you want to call it. So probably don't want to get rid of much of this stuff. This is a map.
Of where? Say that. Say that for me.
Deutsch Clan Carte.
Okay. That's pretty cool.
I don't think we need that, do we?
No.
No. We need this. Some kind of a wild pony. I don't think we need that. More driver's logs. We need to get our boy Donnie to come in here and clean this thing.
What does that say?
I don't know.
Schostler.
Schostler something. Maybe that looks. I don't know what that is. We'll find out the history on that. That's
Oh, dude,
old
that is
plug.
old. Oh my god. That's like iPod Touch.
Yeah. I think this goes to the lampshades back there, and this right here is for the cigarette lighter, which remember I didn't think it had one. It does right there. I don't know what this does, but it looks like it might be significant, so we'll hold on to that. The screws we don't need, that pin we'll hold on to. iPhone plug. Do we need it? We'll hold on to it. That's a Swedish key.
Oh.
Hold on to that. That's that, the door handle it broke off.
Any Swedish coins?
This is the thing for the brake pedal. Uh-oh. Got drugs.
Uh-oh.
Paracetamol.
Adderall.
500 milligrams. You wanna try it?
No, I'm
See what
good.
happens?
No, I'm good.
No, good. Well, the junk drawer is cleaned out. Oh, there's a V8 Scania sticker there. American money. I was hoping to find like not American money in here. That would have been cool. Alright, all that stuff can go in here. This will be marked the official junk drawer of spare parts, huh?
Yeah.
Wallet. Some kind of an air connector.
Find any treasure yet?
Yeah, there's something
Oh,
up in
check
the
in
top
that drawer.
cabinet.
See what's in that drawer. There's lots of compartments in this thing, so.
What drawer? This drawer?
Or no, in that thing. More keys to something.
Got some water.
Yeah, I've seen that. She's a leaker.
Whoa! Look at this thing.
What the heck was that?
Yeah, just a key or something.
More. What in the world is this?
Dang.
Here, hold that.
Scared to.
It's a piss bottle.
Is it?
Yeah.
Has it got something in it?
I think these might be like trophies, or no? Oh no, this is stuff for like an arcade game or something. Because remember the guy called
Chaz, he might take that.
the piss bottle.
Likes to piss bottles.
Oh, when he's driving, yeah, I know. All right, we're getting distracted. We gotta focus on what we got going on here. Some kind of a plug for something. We don't want to get rid of that. Anything else up here?
Here's this.
Oh yeah, don't want to throw that away. I don't know where that went.
Still got a bump on my head.
All right, so over here we've got the road triangles, I call them, but this is like
Road triangle.
road triangles for Sweden. That's different. Not what we have here. We won't throw those away because they're authentic, right, for the truck?
Yeah.
You know how long this is I've held an umbrella? Is it bad luck to open it inside?
Yeah, probably. I'm right here. God.
Ow! Throw it and pinch the crap out of me.
I'd say it's bad luck. Get rid of it.
Here in Florida, we just run through the rain for fun. These are like tarps of some kind. Seat covers.
Yeah, but they're a little yellow.
Looks like a fifth wheel cover. That's what it looks like. I don't know. Do we need them? No.
No, you don't. Get that out.
Cleaning it out. For long, Ryan will be sleeping back here in the next truck show we go to.
Yeah, okay, calm down.
What, you don't want to sleep in here?
Heck no.
Oh, we got some mystery. Oh,
Oh, I know what that's
the curtain. All right, time to do some climbing. There's like some other stuff. That's part of the bed. So you got the bed pad there. Fuses we had because we found out, thanks to everybody's comments, that if you pull fuse number 1, the thing will go as fast as you want. Water bottle, some power. I have no idea what that says, but something. Breath power. Gratis plus 20%.
Yes, sir.
Sweet.
Oh, that definitely busted.
We'll give these to Chaz for letting us use his house here.
And tools.
All right. Over here, we've got all kinds of Scania books. FMCA compliance manual. Definitely don't need that.
Just throwing everything.
More call game cards, don't need those. Thing for our fridge, we might get the fridge working again, maybe.
Possibly.
Dynamic microphone, don't need that. More game cards, don't need those.
Jeez.
Oh, there's a service book. That's, well, I guess as long as I'm good at looking at
Roundabouts.
pictures. Oh, no, wait. I don't know what that means. We don't want to get rid of it. Oh, dude. So I was looking at old photos. This is where lampshades used to be. Like that.
Oh, shoot. That's cool.
That is cool, right? Oh, dang. Look at that. There's a troll.
Oh.
More service. Or no, that's more service stuff. I think this is about roads. Yeah, so we'll hold on to this stuff. Put it back in here.
Oh, shoot.
Look at this. It's like
Hold on.
What?
Smack them.
Get it. You're gonna miss it here. Give me that. Oh, that's a dirt knobber.
Yeah, they bite hard.
If it goes back up a little bit, I'll nail him. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the thing for the fridge right there. Can you see in there? Like the compressor for the fridge.
Yeah.
All right. We got our fridge to open the other day.
There you go. It's pretty clean in there.
It is really clean. Is it turned on? Yeah, it's on. It's just not working. That's all right. What's in here? Oh, dang. Check that out. Little battery-powered light. That's slick. Chaz can have that. Oh, got a goodie bag. Random stuff. Like a safety vests. What do they say on them? Interpolis glass Helglander. Put those back. We'll put them over here. We're trying to organize our future show rig here. Take our little light thing, put it there. Oh, dude.
Oh.
I don't know what that means.
It says,
NL. But I don't know what NL stands for. Random empty box. Well, that's one cabinet cleaned out. We got a cool license plate. Or tag. Oh, we gotta remember to close this because Dusty and these dummies got it open. Gotta turn the key on. Alright, key on. The button's right here behind you. I don't think it actually... Uh-oh. It's out of the track. That's not good.
they broke it.
Yeah, these dummies did.
He stuck his head out of there
Leave it to
and
the
broke
millers.
it.
Can break something. Well, that works. It's out of track, so we gotta figure out how to get it back in the track. Oh, it's got radio up here too?
Yeah, you didn't see those Pioneers? They don't sound good.
Oh, jackpot, dude. Don't know what this means, but we got it.
Oh!
Here's another one. Oh, these are like transport stuff. Transport exception L. This one says convoy. Look. See it?
Oh, yeah.
That's cool.
Convoy with an eye.
What?
What you got going on out here?
Found all kinds of cool stuff.
You're trashing my place here.
Well, y'all decided to break my roof up here, so I'm gonna figure that out.
They don't close?
I don't know. Look at this.
Oh, you need to put that on the front.
I know. Maybe it's Newfoundland? What does NL mean? I don't know. It's got one on the front.
NL? You said Newfoundland, that's NF.
Country.
You said...
I don't know.
Netherlands.
Leave me alone.
Probably the Netherlands.
Tell my wife I love her.
You need to be careful, you just messed up your back.
I know. I'm afraid some of this stuff's gonna break when I'm like here. That's super cool.
You are nuts.
I don't know how I'm gonna get down.
Just go. Oh! Oh! That does not sound good. Can't even see you.
You're gonna have to go inside and operate the switch. You hear what I said?
How's the breeze up there?
Great, right next to the power line.
You won't touch it?
You're right.
Yeah,
I
remember
won't.
that's what you said. You said you can touch
I
it.
don't want to test it though.
Well,
You're gonna make them do it?
I ain't doing it.
Exactly.
Yeah, you had to get in there and operate that switch.
On this episode of The Millers, going to the Millers.
Is the base good and solid?
Oh yeah, I got it.
Oh yeah, it ain't going anywhere. This episode of Jackass.
The top is like, ooh, easy. Try to roll down it. I don't know where my feet are going or not.
You're good. Keep on coming. I got your feet. Come on.
What's that? Oh!
There's a ladder.
Sure.
Yep. Just don't step to the left.
Teamwork.
Makes the dream work.
Good thing I'm already fixed. Didn't feel good. Alright, so we got our roof closed. That might be why we've been leaking so much water. This thing's pretty much cleaned out. What do we got over here? We needed that the other night.
Oh yeah, it was right next to me.
There's all kinds of stuff in here. What is this? Dude, sweet GPS. Don't do that.
You know where that other little badge went? Probably on your door.
No, there's one on that door still. So crazy how like plush the floor is. You know, like it's all soft.
Yeah.
Does your seat go up and down?
No.
Let the air out?
I
I think they leak. I gotta figure out how to get to the door, like the. Oh, dude, there's like a whole mattress in here. How do we get into here? Figure this out.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch of stuff back there.
Yeah. Oh, this whole thing like folds up. Does the seat go forward any somehow? This whole seat is air. What the heck? It's like not hooked up at all. Boom. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in here, Ryan. I found the other lampshade.
Oh.
Oh, I forgot to slide that drawer out. That's right. What the heck that is? That looks important.
Dude, is that a new pillow for me?
Dude, time to get rid of all yellow, Ryan.
Yikes.
Yeah. Here's a, something.
Oh, another sign.
What does that say?
It says gold digger.
Gold digger. What?
Where do you live?
Some kind of a cover for something, some gloves. Looks like something else that like, that's my kneecap. Oh. That boy just broke.
Those are some
Mystery underwear.
Yeah, there's some good rags. Truck driving rags.
What is this? Motor oil? There's a heater. What's it called? It's a. We gotta figure out how to open that side door. There's all kinds of crap in there. Gold digger. Can't believe we found that.
Dude, that's it right there.
Will you stand the garbage can back up? These signs are sweet, though.
Hang them up in your shop. What does that one say? I really don't know, but
It's cool.
it's cool.
All-purpose foam cleaner. Missed that one. I don't know, good. You want this?
Sure.
Here. Oh, there's the fuses we needed. Oh, what the heck did that say? Is this like Ormerol and another language?
Yep.
We should try to say it. Tiefen Verflanger. Oh, these fuses in here. Oh, there's a water meter. So, you know, if there's this many blown fuses, it's got to have more blown fuses in there, which means there might be something that isn't working we could get working.
True.
All right, we got to figure out how to open that side door. Oh, look, check that out.
Oh. Yeah, Dusty was playing with it.
Dude, they all work. This whole time we've been trying to figure out how to open this door here, right here. We found, look, another treasure chest. You need that.
Private property.
I'm sorry, what'd you say, sir?
Private property.
Is this thing working?
Think so.
Ryan, you didn't plug it in. All right, guys, we found the treasure trove of junk in here. It looks like tools and mostly stuff we probably could have used that night when we broke down. Let's see what it takes to jack the cab up. I think the cab jack is over here. This thing looks sweet with the bags aired all the way down.
Yeah, with those clean
Dragging.
fenders.
That's why the fenders are all messed up. So right here's the cab jack. And as you can see, those hoses don't look like they're in great shape.
No,
No, they don't. Which is worrisome because, excuse me, sir, don't touch my dingleberry hat here. Oh, I see where they used to hook up at, on the bottom down here. So it looks like there were 3 hoses that hooked up. I only see 2 here.
That's not good.
That's not good. Well, we found an air leak. Hit the brake. All right. That's an air leak.
Get some duct tape.
And that's when the brakes activate. So we need to go to Napa. We'll get a quick connect. Ain't gonna start. No, don't try starting it.
Oh, I was trying to start your horn.
Oh yeah, there ain't no air, not enough air pressure to turn them on. All right, so we found that bad air leak. So when we were hitting the brakes, it was losing air. Why are you smiling at me? Why can't you take me serious, Ryan? We're back here at the shop after goofing off at Chaz's house for a little while, and this thing, whenever you've been hitting the brakes, has been making a god-awful air leak. Well, the tire, this is the line that literally feeds the entire brake system. So when you hit the brakes, it just leaks air. So that was right there and right there. Really just not good. I don't know how to undo these fittings here. So instead of trying to figure out how to undo them, I'm gonna make a nice clean straight cut on them. And just like that. Just like that right there. And I've got some quick connect fittings because Napa is 100 yards from here. We took the scooter over there and we're gonna shove these fittings on here. Hopefully they're the same. Or something close to it. It'll work. So there's that one. Got another one right here. And maybe this will fix our air leak we've had that's leaking extremely bad. See, what happened is the fella that owned it, I think it blew a tire. You can see it like obliterated, like all kinds of stuff over here. That's why the fender's gone from this side. And he says he's got a new fender for it and he's gonna send it to us or bring it over whenever he gets back in town. So we'll try to address all the broken stuff on this side sooner than later. There's that. Now get us a piece of hose to go from there to there. And that should fix the issue this thing's got with leaking air, but real bad. So now I'm gonna go on the other side, hit the brake, and we should have no more air leak. Let me go check.
Sound pretty good.
Sounds good to me. Might take a wrench and twist this fitting up. See how it looks like it's kind of bent down? It looks like it should be up there out of the way, so. I'm just afraid that twisting and moving things around is gonna tear something up. We'll try it. So the guy we was over there meeting with first at the truck mentioned they use this for pushing kennel hitch trailers around the yard, but we don't really need this, so we pull that down. It ain't too heavy if you want to pull this thing off. Slide it right out the front. Dang, scratching the patina. Just set it out of the way for now. We're gonna fold the grill guard down. There's an air leak up here in the front that leaks pretty dang bad, and we're trying to address that air leak too. And I still don't know where I checked oil on this thing at. It's gotta be somewhere behind the grill, I assume, so. All right, so we gotta take this. Here. Pull that pin out. This right here. There you go, grab that and lay it down on the ground for me. Boom. I kind of low-key want to get rid of the grill. What do you think? This big thing? I don't know. Maybe not. We don't need these, so these can come off. I don't know what holds them in though. Oh, there you go. All right. We gotta start it up and let it fill it full of air again, but the air leak's somewhere over here in the corner. I see. I don't know what this is. This is like. Maybe that is the oil dipstick. It must be. Yep. It got oil in it. Okay. Probably hot. Careful. Let's check her again. Well,
So it fits all the way down in there?
you'd think that something would, maybe it's just missing something. I don't know. Well, it's halfway up on the dipstick, so it's got some room. Let's figure it out.
Yeah, just about got it. It's just gonna go in a little bit more.
So this fender was about to fall off too, so we got that put back in place. Nick's working on it. We found the other 2 air leaks up in here, I think.
Can't really see.
Yeah. Well,
Fenders on.
so fixing these air leaks too. Oh, I hear another one. Dang it. Airbag or what?
Doing that soap now?
No, this might just be all we're fixing for today. We fixed 3 big air leaks this thing had. I hear a very tiny one somewhere up inside. I think it's this airbag. Yeah, it's the airbag. We better not touch that because that's probably not cheap and they're definitely not here in the United States. So the 2 air leaks are fixed right there. The one fixed on that side. Nick got the fender put back in place, so that definitely looks a lot better than it did, of course. There probably used to be a latch of some kind right there. I have no idea. Well, we cut the muffler off, so we got to get some straight pipe put in there eventually. We're not going to do that today, but I took that piece that Chaz had. So
Went through 4 blades.
4 blades to do that. Let's hit the brakes, see if we got any air leaks. It's coming out right there, ain't it? Yep. See, they modified that for American trucks. And it's not really supposed to, you can't see anything because the dang cab is right in the way. But like the airline is just like folded over back there. And we don't want all these air leaks while we hit the brakes, but really ain't much we can do till we get the cab open. So if someone can help me down below, comment or email me some kind of a schematic for the hoses and stuff, for the hydraulic pump for the cab, because they're broken from where the tire exploded. Looks like the bushings for the cab. That's why I say wobble so bad side to side, because the bushings are shot. All right, well, come over here, Ryan. Let's see if they can help us figure these hoses out. We could literally put a smart car up here and travel.
Oh,
Think
yeah.
about that, like dirt bikes, motorcycles. Anyway, so these hoses right here are for the cab jack, and honestly, we may just have to replace it. Isn't your? Let me see that pry bar right quick. See. Oh, it still works. Okay. It's just the hoses have broke off the bottom of it, like clean off. Oh, actually, we may be able to fix that. Hang on. Because those are just broke off from the jack, and there's a plug right there, and we've got hydraulic fittings here. We can make some hoses. I don't know if we should do this today or not. Should we? Should we? You got a minute? Okay. Screw it. Let's try it. So we got the hoses that someone else has made before, but they've got this special fitting right there, which is not very American, even though this is an American hose here. That they've been replaced before, but we don't have this fitting, so we just cut the old ones off and recrimp new fittings on these current hoses. So getting those hooked back up, and we've already got this one done right here. So we're gonna hook them up to that pump and pray to gosh that that pump works, because it don't look like it's in the best shape. Well, guys, our cab I think is going up on a Tuesday. Something's happening. Something's going on. The front's picking up. Maybe the front picks up first and then the rear? Maybe. What if that lock didn't disappear? Maybe that's what it is. Because the whole front of the cab's up. It's way up. Holy cow. See there's how that lock is right there?
Yeah, but I can't tell.
So you gotta see if the other side disengaged. No, this side didn't. That's probably what it is. Oh, it's this crappy freaking, this crap.
So you think that hose is still?
Maybe give me your little pry bar.
You try pumping on it while you're doing that?
No, the hose is like not even connected there. I think this is the lock. Probably. Mixer over there about to die. There it goes. Yeah, it's going now. Oh, she's coming out of the locks. Let me help you. Oh, hang on. We got some zip ties we need to cut. Are your cutter right there? All right. Dang, I see a V8. Nick is worn out.
Florida summer ain't no joke.
The air box. Geez, you gotta jack the cab up just get to the air filter. That's waiting to catch on fire. I guess I better not stick my head in here until we get a safety bar put in here. I don't see one though. Just a little bit more, we'll call it good. Surprisingly, it blew a hydraulic spark. Oh, that's good, that's good. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
I ain't touching it.
That was sketch. Holy cow.
I was ready for it to go straight off.
I know. Good Lord. That's an engine too, boy. Holy cow. Golly.
Four and a V sitting on the feet.
That's waiting to catch on fire. Look at this injection pump. That thing's a freaking hog in there. Just like a huge pee pump. Serious. This is nuts. Yeah, it is. Oh boy.
I'd hate to have to change the fan in this thing.
Oh God, yeah, that's way down there. Don't be saying that. You will be changing if you ain't careful.
I should have thought ahead on that one. Now we really could have fixed the
I
airlines.
know, geez, we spent all this time fixing airlines, there they are. Good Lord. Well, folks, we got the cab open on this thing. This is a wrap for this video. Part 2 will be out in the next couple days. We're going to dig into this thing and just kind of do some, as we see it, maintenance, you know, try to clean up some of the hoses and wires that are just like ran and falling everywhere. We might get into, obviously, we got to get all these pine needles cleaned out because that is a fire waiting to happen right there. What a monster of an engine too, boy. Get that straight pipe fixed, so all kinds of cool stuff we're going to work on this boy in the next couple days. Comment down below if you guys can help us with anything you see we're working on. I appreciate all the comments and emails and messages. We've been getting a ton, and it's just awesome. Pray for us. This thing just looks like a nightmare to work on, but we'll figure it out. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. We'll see you later. Peace.